Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a wireless charger. This is a Qi wireless charger, portable battery power bank. It has 10,000 milliamp and you could charge two devices at the same time. I got this from the promotion when I ordered my Note 10 Plus. It comes with this wireless charging stand. And then this wireless charger power bank, which is retail on their website for $59.99. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So I'm still waiting for the 45 watts adapter, which is they claim that it's going to send out on the September 13th. So and this is just two of the bubble wrap. Wow, it's quite heavy. So it says wireless charger, portable battery, 10,000 milliamp battery, and then USB-C cable. This is a Samsung brand. I like this how it has like a chameleon effect, different color. And this, it says made in China. So it says fast charge, deliver up to 7.5 watts of wireless charging to your Galaxy S10, Note 9, and or other compatible Samsung smartphones. Charge Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Buds on the go or on your end table. And this is Qi certified. So actually you can charge your Apple iPhones and stuff like that. And Pixel or your Asus ZTE Blue or any other Sony brand or Nokia, BlackBerry, whatever that uses USB, or OnePlus 7 or Oppo. I'm not sure if you could charge the smartwatch though, because I tried to use that with my other Qi or wireless charger. Somehow it did not work unless this is special made for Samsung brand. So I gotta test them with my smartwatch. So it says power at home or on the go. Charge a Galaxy Watch. Oh, so maybe it does. Or Galaxy Buds. I thought what they mean by charging Galaxy Watch, you connecting to the USB connector. Even charge two devices at the same time, okay, or at once. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Wow, Inside here is another nice box. Wireless charging, wireless battery pack. Samsung. Got this shiny print right here, which is pretty awesome. So there's a LED indicator right there. One dot means 5 to 20%. Two dot means 20 to 40. Three dot means 40 to 70. Four dot means 70 to 100%. And when it's blinking, that means about less than 0 to 5%. It's less than 5%. Or when it's blinking. And here are the spec. Go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's another box. Oh, just a flap. Okay. So here is a power bank. Looks pretty nice. Oh, it is another box. And here's a quick start guide. This one is a EB-U1200. It comes with this flat cable, USB to Type-C, okay? So it looks pretty nice. It's pretty rounded. There's a power button right here. So it shows your it shows 3 LED right now. So that means about what, 40 to 70% charge right now. This is the input, and this is the output. And then here is the wireless charging pad right here. And here's the spec again. On the back of the Samsung brand right here. And then 10,000. So let's go ahead and give a test. I'm not sure if you need to press power button in order to charge or not to activate it. I guess not. So once you put it on the wireless charging pad, your automatically charges right away. And then the red LED, it just lit up and it stays on there like that. Let me see if I try to remove it and see what happens. Okay, so when I remove it, it turns off. and then it turns red again, so that means charging. And it shows 2 hours and 24 minutes until fully charged. Alright, so I forgot to show you guys real quick, see if this Samsung Qi wireless charger charge the smartphone or not. So let's go ahead and test this out. Since I have this stainless steel watch band, I'm going to just slide this in, but you gotta be sure to put it right there on the wireless charging pad to the back, okay? Or else it's not gonna charge. I'll just slide this in real quick. So I think I gotta press, let me press the power button on the side, because with the Samsung Note 10 Plus, I don't need to press the power, so. Alright, so yeah, it's charging right now, okay? And you can see the lightning bolt right there. And as you can see, when it's red, that means it is charging your device. So let me try to move it out of the way. So it turns off right now. So put it back in. So I guess you don't need to press the power button in order to charge. You just have to sit on the right spot. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, but be sure to stay tuned. I got the 45 watts power adapter coming in soon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.